right, what's up everybody? So we might actually be renting out our home on Airbnb for a while, and one of the requirements for the city that needs to come by and do the inspection is, in addition to, carbon monoxide detectors, smoke alarms, and fire extinguisher, is making sure you have the proper outlets on countertops in the kitchen and the bathroom. And they specifically said, hey, you need to have GFCI outlets, which are these. By the way, quick break here. Welcome to the channel. Click that like button, subscribe. Love to have you join us. We do lots of home projects around the house, saving you time and money. Nothing is off limits. And if you are interested in taking your hobbies, just like I am doing, and making your own YouTube channel, turning that hobby, that skill into cash. Yes, real cash, just like I'm doing. It's awesome. I built a course. You can check out the link in the description below. There's a free course and a master course. You can see here we've got, now I'm no licensed electrician at all, but you've got your test and your reset button right here. And if you reset it, it turns the power off and resets. Testing it will actually shut the power off, and you click reset to re-engage it, and power should be going through this now. So we've got GFCI, you can see GFCI here, GFCI here, but over here, let me turn the light on, we've got what appears to be regular outlets and not GFCI. So before I go hire an electrician or go to the store to switch out the receptacle, to make them GFCI compliant, I want to test to make sure that they are truly non-GFCI or GFCI, if that makes sense. Because I don't know how much the new ones or the GFCI cost, but my time, my money, let me just make sure if they, to verify if they are GFCI or not. So what I'm gonna do, I've got a lamp here, and I am gonna plug this in to the GFCI receptacle here, okay? And I'm turning the lamp, you can see this is off, and we're gonna turn it to the on position. So the light bulb is on, okay? So what I'm gonna do, just to make sure that this is truly GFCI and working, I'm gonna click test, and you can see that shut the bulb, the power off, and the bulb is off. I'm gonna click reset, and it turns it back on. Okay, so that's step one. Now I'm gonna unplug it. The lamp is still turned on, and I'm gonna bring the lamp over here to this outlet. A little tight back here, but we're gonna plug that in there. Okay, so light is on. Now check this out. I'm gonna come over here to this outlet, and I'm gonna press the reset button, and look what it does. Let me turn off the microwave light here. So reset button, or you can press the test button to actually turn it off. So that tells me that even though this outlet looks like a regular outlet, it is indeed GFCI. And I'm gonna do the same thing with this one. Okay, so plugged in, light bulb is on. It's plugged in over here. And I'm gonna click the test button. Ready, 1, 2, 3. And it turned off. So, press the reset, turn it back on, and there it is. So that tells me that I don't need to run out and buy 2 GFCI receptacles or outlets for these, that they are indeed GFCI compliant. Well, we'll see what the inspector says, but that's my theory, and I'm sticking to it. And we're in the bathroom here, and this one definitely looks GFCI, but the same might be true. It might actually be wired to another place, maybe the other bathroom. We'll go upstairs and check that out and see if that is also true. So here we are upstairs, and same thing. It looks like a regular faceplate, but actually our 5-year-old was down in the basement bathroom, or the main floor bathroom, and he was washing his hands and then pressing the button, and that triggered the outlet to power off, right? and the one up here would also not work. And so I figured out, well, he's tripping that breaker. So when you click it on the main floor bathroom, this one will also turn back on. And so that tells me that this one is also GFCI protected. So that's good. I don't have to go through and replace all of these outlets. Hopefully this has helped you out.